Hello students, welcome back to Strictly Logical. In this video, I'll tell you about rational numbers, its definition, what are the different types of rational numbers, how to identify rational numbers, difference between rational and irrational numbers, and then we will see some fun facts. Let's begin. So students, rational numbers are one very common type of numbers that we usually study after integers in math. These numbers are in the form of p by q, where p and q can be any integer and q must not be equals to 0. Most often people find it confusing to differentiate between fractions and rational numbers because of the basic structure of the numbers, that is p by q form. But actually fractions are made up of whole numbers while rational numbers are made up of integers as a numerator and denominator. Let's learn more about rational numbers in this video. So rational numbers can be made by dividing two integers. An integer is a number with no fractional part. Take this example of 1.5. This is a decimal. If you remove this decimal, you will get 15 by 10. When you write 15 by 10 in simplest form, it would be 3 by 2, where 3 is the numerator, 2 denominator, that is p by q form. 3 and 2 are both integers, so we can write 1.5 as 3 by 2, which is p by q form. It is also known as a ratio. Actually, the word rational is originated from the word ratio only. So as 1.5 can be written in the form of p by q, that's why 1.5 is a rational number. Let's see some more examples. So here some numbers are written, then its fractional form is written, and then we have to check whether is it rational or not. So 5 can be written in the form of a fraction as 5 by 1. Yes, it's a p by q form, that's why it's a rational number. 1.75, just remove the decimal, you will get 175 upon 100. When you will write it in simplest form, you will get 7 by 4, which is again p by q form, so it is also a rational number. Similarly, 0.001 can be written as 1 by 1000, p by q form, rational number. Minus 0.1, this is a negative integer. It can also be written in p by q form, that is minus 1 by 10. It's also a rational number. Next is 0.111. These dots means that 1 is repeating again and again, which can be written as 1 by 9. That is why 0.111 is also a rational number. While square root of 2 cannot be written in the form of a fraction. I'll explain about root 2 being rational or irrational number later on in this video. Before that, let's see the formal definition of the rational number. A rational number is a number that can be in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. That is the required condition, that q must not be equals to 0, because if q has become 0, this fraction would become p by 0. Any number upon 0 is not defined. Now let's see the types of the rational numbers. There are different types of rational numbers present. All integers are rational numbers. Integers like -2, 0, 3, etc. all are rational numbers. Then fractions whose numerators and denominators are integers like 3 by 7, -6 by 5. It can be negative integer also. All these are rational numbers only. Then next is terminating decimals like 0.35, 0.7116, etc. All these are rational numbers. Terminating decimal means a decimal number that contains a finite number of digits after the decimal point. We can see here after the decimal we have only two digits, that is 3 and 5. In this one we have only 4 digits after the decimal. We have fixed number of digits after the decimal. That's why these are terminating decimals. While non-terminating decimals are those decimals that contains non-finite number of digits after the decimal point. You can see the examples here. In this case, we have non-terminating decimals, but we have repeating patterns of the digit. This 3 is repeating again and again. That's why all non-terminating decimals with repeating patterns are also rational numbers. 0.141414, etc. All these are non-terminating repeating decimals, and that's why these are all rational numbers. Now you would be thinking how to identify rational numbers. बहुत confusion है, ये number rational है, ये number rational नहीं है. किसी भी number को rational number होने के लिए कुछ conditions fulfill करनी होती है. The conditions are: we can represent the given number as a fraction of integers. The decimal expansion of the number is terminating or non-terminating repeating, as well as all whole numbers are rational numbers. Look at this number 0.92307692307669. Is it a rational number? You can see that this is a non-terminating. Let's check whether the pattern is repeating or not. So now here what I have done, I have just broken that large number into different parts, and you will notice that the pattern is repeating. These digits 923076, then again 923076, same set of digits is repeating. That's why that large number is also a rational number. Now just think, is 0 a rational number or not? So here we can see that 0 can be represented in the form of p by q. It can be written as 0 by 1 or 0 point minus 2 or 0 by 3, 0 by any number, any integer. As 0 can be written in the form of fraction, that's why 0 is also a rational number. Another famous irrational number is pi. We know that pi is a constant whose value is 3.14159 and so on, which is non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. That's why pi is an irrational number. Although we take the approximate value of pi as 22 by 7, but that 22 by 7 is not the exact value of pi. We just take it as approximation of the value of pi to ease our calculation. Actually, pi cannot be written in the p by q form. That's why pi is irrational number. Let's see the difference between rational numbers and irrational numbers. So all the numbers that can be expressed as the fraction of integers are rational numbers. The numbers that cannot be expressed as fraction of integers, those are irrational numbers. Rational numbers can be terminating decimals, while irrational numbers are never terminating decimals. Rational numbers can be non-terminating decimals with repetitive patterns of the decimals. 1.414414, you can see that the same set of the numbers are repeating. That's why this number is a rational number. While irrational numbers should be non-terminating decimals with no repetitive pattern of decimals. For example, root 2, root 5, root 5's value is 2.23606. You can see that here the numbers are not repeating. There is no repeating pattern of the decimals. That's why this is an irrational number. Then the last difference is the set of rational numbers contains all natural numbers, all whole numbers and all integers, while the set of irrational number is a separate set and it does not contain any of the other sets of the number. Let me show you a picture of real numbers, or you can say rational numbers. You can see this small box which contains natural numbers. All numbers which starts from natural numbers are those numbers which starts from 1 and so on. So all these numbers, you can see the bigger box is of rational number which contains integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. So we can say that all natural numbers, whole numbers as well as all integers are rational numbers only, while irrational numbers is a different set of the numbers. This is all about rational number. In the next video of this rational number series, I'll explain about the arithmetic operations which we can perform on the rational numbers. Let's see some fun facts now.